Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall HomeKit from iPhone and remove accessories, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall HomeKit from your iPhone, start by opening the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Home. In the Home Settings menu, find the option labeled Home Management. Select Home Management to view all the homes associated with your HomeKit. Tap on the home you wish to remove. Once you're in that home, look for the option to delete the home. Confirm that you want to delete the home by tapping Delete Home. This action will remove all accessories associated with that home. Next, go back to the main Settings menu. Scroll down and select Privacy and Security. In Privacy and Security, find HomeKit and tap on it. Here you will see the devices linked to HomeKit. To remove accessories, tap on the device you want to delete. Select the option to remove the accessory from HomeKit. Confirm the removal by tapping Remove when prompted. Repeat this process for any other accessories you want to uninstall. After removing the accessories, return to the Home Settings. You can now exit the Settings app. HomeKit is now uninstalled from your iPhone along with any accessories you chose to remove. Your device will no longer receive updates or notifications related to HomeKit. You can verify that HomeKit is completely uninstalled by checking the Settings app again. If you have any further questions about HomeKit, consult the Apple support page for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.